How to find Epic Games' email address in Fortnite on Xbox. Let's get started. Launch your Epic Games app, or you can log into your account in the web browser. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right, you will find this profile icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of account. The only way to find your linked email address in Fortnite on Xbox is by using this Epic Games. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Head towards the option of account settings. Over here, you will find the option of display name and email address. Head towards the email address section. You will be able to find the blurred email address. So this is the email address in Fortnite on Xbox. If you want to update the email address, you can click on this blue icon. Now over here, you can type in the new email address and update it. Likewise, if you want to see the unblurred email address, you can contact to the Epic Games support. At the left corner, you will find the option of need help. Click on it. Now over here, you can search for your issue and go through the process. Well, right now this is the only way to find Epic Games email address in Fortnite on Xbox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.